feeling powerful, not allowing powerlessness in your inner space, feeling powerful, feeling strong, continuously being blissful, being in a very powerful space, continuously raising yourself to that powerful space. Why powerlessness enters into you? It is nothing but incompletions. Some form of incompletion. Please listen. One incompletion is enough to keep you powerless 24 hours. Just one incompletion is enough. It can keep you powerless your whole life. Do not allow incompletion, even one incompletion in you. Bring yourself again and again and again to the space of completion. Bad news is you have to practice again and again. Good news is it is possible. Understand? The biggest wealth any human being can have is completion. Your mind is established in the space of impossibility. Because the more and more you believe in impossibility, only then more and more you can be exploited by the delusion and illusion. You will be kept in the illusion. You will be kept deluded only if you believe things are impossible. In any front, whether it is personal front, social, business, relationship, in any front, please listen. When you are born, you are like a being landed on the planet Earth. Once you form the root patterns in you, root pattern means the deep identity which you create about you and others. Please understand. Don't think you carry only identity of you. You also carry the identity of the world inside you. And look at the world only through that. That is what I call root patterns. The identity through which you see you and the world. Through these root patterns, if you see the world, that is called agamya, means default future. This is the right word I will use. Through your root pattern, seeing the world is default future. Through the impossibility, means not possible, you continue to see the world. Continuously seeing the world through the concept of impossibility, the root pattern which you are carrying about you, with that, if you continue to live, you will have a default future which is called agamya karma. That will always be very destructive. If you complete with all that root patterns, and create a new space of completion and live completing all your incompletions, that is living your prarabdha. If you decide to take your life in your hand and rewrite your future, that is Ishwaratva, being a leader. Being a leader means rewriting your future. Please understand, I am not teaching you personality development. No. In personality development, how much ever you struggle, whether you win or lose, you will be struggling. For example, if you are trying to drop your smoking, quit smoking. If you win successfully, if you are successful by dropping the smoking, even after that you will be struggling to maintain the same status, means without restarting the smoking. If you fail, of course you have failed. Even if you win, you will be struggling. Same way money. If you fail, you fail. If you win, you will be struggling to maintain the same status. Whether you win or fail, you will continue to struggle in all personality development efforts. So all personality development efforts leads you only in more stress and more bondage. So listen, I am not interested in doing a personality development program here. I am interested in helping you to rewrite your future. Means a total complete disconnect from your past root patterns, from the past ideas you carry about you and the world, completely creating a new idea about you and life. This is what Krishna says in Gita to Arjuna, Divyam dadami te chakshu. I am giving you the divine vision. Please understand. The matter, the walls around you, the chair you are sitting, and the house you are living, the matter around you is not reality. How that matter occurs to you is reality. Whether you are in the temple or in your house, the wall is same. But in the house, that wall, you feel it is your house and it is yours. In the temple, you feel this belongs to the God. This is temple. Matter may be same, but how it occurs to you is reality. So please listen. If the matter occurs to you, causing pain and suffering, you are in hell. If matter occurs to you, causing joy and completion and fulfillment, you are in heaven. The good news here is, whatever way the matter occurs to you can be transformed. Can be transformed. How the matter occurs to you can be transformed. I can say the same truth. Last 10,000 years our rishis are repeating. Last 10 years I am repeating. Last 10,000 years our rishis are repeating. Last 10 years I am repeating. how the matter occurs to you is reality. No one else can change the way matter occurs to you. No one else can interfere in your completion space. I tell you, no one can enter into your completion. No one can change the way reality occurs to you. You are the master of your reality. You are the master of your reality. A man who stops with the idea of impossibility continues to be in the lower worlds, lower existence. Man who goes on making impossibilities into possibility achieves Ishwaratva, leadership, consciousness.